Have you ever wondered how insignificant we might be in the grand scheme of the universe? It's a profound question that has captivated the minds of philosophers and astronomers alike for centuries. Let's take a cosmic journey, shall we? Imagine the universe as an ocean, an expansive, unending sea of darkness speckled with light. These sparkles of light are galaxies, each one teeming with billions, even trillions of stars. Now consider our home, Earth. On the cosmic scale, we're less than a grain of sand lost in this cosmic ocean. Think about it. The Milky Way, our galaxy, is but one among the estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each filled to the brim with stars, many of which hold their own collection of planets, moons, and asteroids. Yet, here we are, on this tiny blue dot we call home, floating in the vast expanse of the cosmos. So, are we really as small as we seem? To truly grasp our place in the universe, we need to understand its scale. The size of the universe is so immense that it's nearly impossible to comprehend. We measure it in light years, the distance that light travels in a single year. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, travels at a speed of approximately 186,000 miles per second. In 1 year, it can travel about 6 trillion miles. Now imagine this. The observable universe is estimated to be 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's the distance light could travel in 93 billion years. It's a number so vast that it's almost unfathomable. Now let's try to put this into perspective. Think of the distance between stars. The nearest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. That's like you deciding to walk from New York to San Francisco and back again about 2,000 times. And that's just to the closest star. There are an estimated 100 billion stars in our galaxy alone. But here's where things get even more mind-boggling. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies is separated by millions of light-years. It's like each galaxy is a single grain of sand, and the universe is all the beaches on Earth combined. So, when you stop and consider the sheer scale of the universe, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Our planet, our solar system, even our galaxy are just tiny, tiny parts of this unimaginably vast cosmic landscape. And yet here we are on this little blue dot looking out into the cosmos, trying to understand it all. In the grand scheme of the universe, we might seem insignificant, but we hold a unique position. We're the ones asking these questions, seeking these answers, and striving to comprehend the incomprehensible. That alone makes us significant in our own right. Our home, the Milky Way galaxy, is just one of billions in the universe. This dazzling cosmic city of stars is a barred spiral galaxy, one of the most common types of galaxies in the universe. It's a vast, sprawling place, with an estimated diameter of around 100,000 light-years. That means, if we could travel at the speed of light, it would take us 100,000 years to cross from one side to the other. Remarkable, isn't it? Now let's put this into perspective. The Milky Way is enormous, yes, but it's not the only one out there. The universe is teeming with galaxies, each unique and different from the other. Take our nearest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. It's roughly twice as large as the Milky Way. Yet despite its size, it's only one of the billions of galaxies in the observable universe. This gives you an idea of the sheer scale of the cosmos. So, where do we fit into this grand scheme? Our solar system, with our Sun, Earth, and 7 other planets, resides in one of the spiral arms of the Milky Way, about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. We're in the suburbs of the galaxy, you could say, but our location is far from random. It's in a relatively calm and stable region, away from the galactic core where star formation is rampant and supernovae are frequent. This positioning gives us a slightly quieter neighborhood, which might be one of the reasons why life was able to develop and thrive here on Earth. Furthermore, our position is also ideal for observing the vastness of the universe. We have a front-row seat to the cosmic theater, able to observe distant galaxies, nebulae, and other astronomical phenomena. We might be a small part of the galaxy, but we're in a prime spot to observe the rest of the universe. Our cosmic neighborhood, it seems, is perfectly situated for both life and scientific discovery. Within our galaxy lies our solar system, a tiny speck in the cosmic ocean. It's a bustling neighborhood of celestial bodies, all bound together by the force of gravity and revolving around a single star we call the Sun. Our solar system is made up of 8 planets, each unique and fascinating in its own right. Closest to the Sun, you'll find the rocky planets of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, known as the inner planets. Then there's the asteroid belt, a kind of cosmic rubble pile marking a boundary of sorts. Beyond it lie the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, followed by the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. But the solar system extends beyond Neptune, to a region known as the Kuiper Belt, where dwarf planets like Pluto reside, along with countless icy comets. And even further, stretching almost a light year from the Sun, is the Oort cloud, the source of long-period comets, and the outer boundary of our solar system. Our solar system, with all its planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, spans about 100 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. But even this is just a tiny fraction of the size of our galaxy, the Milky Way, which is 100,000 light-years across. And the Milky Way is just one among billions of galaxies in the observable universe. So when you think about it, our solar system, vast as it may seem to us, is really just a small corner in a much larger cosmic city. Yet it's within this small corner that we've been able to probe the mysteries of the universe, to begin to understand the laws that govern the cosmos, and to dream of exploring worlds beyond our own. In the grand scheme of things, our solar system may be small, but it's our home. It's where we've come from, it's where we are now, and it's the starting point for wherever we may go in the future. Within this vast universe, our solar system is our immediate cosmic family. So, where does that leave us on our small blue planet? Well, let's take a moment to ponder that, shall we? Earth, our home, is but one small planet in a solar system of 8. This solar system, led by the Sun, is nestled comfortably in the Orion arm of the Milky Way galaxy, a galaxy that contains somewhere around 200 billion stars, give or take a few billion. Our Milky Way, in turn, is just one of potentially 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Now, if that doesn't make you feel tiny, I don't know what will. But hold on, don't get disheartened just yet. There's a certain charm to our cosmic insignificance, a certain beauty in our microscopic existence. You see, our understanding of the universe has profoundly shaped our perception of our place in it. For the longest time, we believed we were the center of it all, with everything revolving around us. But as our knowledge expanded, we've come to realize that we're not at the center, but rather on the outskirts, on one of the spiral arms of our galaxy, in a universe that doesn't revolve around us. This shift in perspective, from being the center of everything to being just another speck in the cosmic sea, has been humbling to say the least. But it has also been liberating. It has freed us from the shackles of geocentricity, allowing us to explore and understand the universe in ways we never could before. So where does this leave us? Well, we're small, we're tiny, we're microscopic even, but we're not insignificant. Far from it, in fact. For we are the universe observing itself. We are the means through which the cosmos can contemplate its own existence. So we might be small, but that doesn't make us insignificant. After all, we are the universe observing itself. In the face of such colossal scales, it's easy to feel small and insignificant. Yet let's take a moment to reflect on everything we've journeyed through. The universe, a grand stage that stretches beyond comprehension, teeming with galaxies, each home to countless stars. And in one of these galaxies, our very own Milky Way, we find our cosmic neighborhood, a collection of stars, planets, and other celestial bodies, including our solar system. Our place in this grand scheme may seem minuscule, but it is far from insignificant. We, as a species, have the power to comprehend these astronomical scales, to explore the cosmos, and to seek answers to questions that have tantalized humanity for ages. Our ability to understand and explore the universe in itself makes us an integral part of this cosmic story. The universe is vast, but remember, we are a part of it, not apart from it.